Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok log me out automatically. If TikTok keeps logging you out by itself, try these fixes. So first, check your internet connection. So go to settings and click Wi-Fi. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can restart your router if needed. Next, go to App Store or Play Store. Then search for TikTok. Then install the latest version of the app from the App Store or Play Store. Next is to clear TikTok cache. So go back to TikTok. Click your profile in the bottom right. Click the three line in the top right, then go to Settings and Privacy. Now from here, scroll down until you see Free Up Space. Select that. Then tap on Clear to clear cache. Tap on Clear again to confirm the action. And check if that works. Next, check for unauthorized logins. So go back to Settings and Privacy, then look for Security and Permissions. So it's usually at the top under Account. Select that and click Manage Devices. So remove any devices you don't recognize and change your password if necessary. To remove the device, just click the Delete icon or Trash Bin and click Remove, and that's it. Then see if that works. Next is to reinstall TikTok. So go ahead and uninstall the app. So press and hold it and click Remove App, then click Delete App, and it will be deleted. Then download and install it again by going to App Store or Play Store and then install it and see if that works. And that's it. Thank you for watching.